Texas law that makes it a state crime for non-citizens to enter the country illegally got its first test in federal court today. The law known as Senate Bill 4 is set to go into effect in less than a month.
But the Department of Justice and civil rights groups sued to block that law. No cameras were allowed in the court, but our Monica Madden was inside and has more on the arguments.
This impacts all of us.
Border residents and activists making their opposition to SB 4 heard outside federal court Thursday.
What Texas is doing is unconstitutional.
If it stands, the law will give Texas police powers only reserved for federal agents, arresting and effectively deporting migrants who cross illegally.
We're allowed to prosecute people coming into our state illegally from a foreign nation.
In court, state attorneys echoed arguments made by the bill's author last week in Eagle Pass.
It's not preempted by existing federal immigration law. It's not in conflict with federal immigration law that's in place. And mostly, Texas has the right, the constitutional right and authority to secure its border.
While the judge said he was sympathetic of the problems Texas is experiencing, he expressed skepticism of the state's arguments, expressing concern that if other states were to enact similar immigration enforcement laws, it would lead to a patchwork of laws and a confederation of states.
U.S. attorneys argued, quote, "There's no ambiguity. States cannot have parallel laws for removing non-citizens," pointing to a similar law Arizona passed that was later deemed unconstitutional.
I think there's very little question that so long as the Supreme Court's 2012 decision in the Arizona case is still a good law, what Texas is doing is unconstitutional.
Legal experts speculate this issue will end up before the Supreme Court again.
Immigration policy, whether we like it or not, is the purview of the federal government.
Monica Madden, KXAN News.
And U.S. District Judge David Ezra said he will carefully consider the facts and arguments before ruling, but will try to make a decision well before the law is set to take effect coming up on March 5th.